Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Good morning guys, hello there, welcome to Emerald House of Cars and welcome to your quick walk around video detailing the features of our gorgeous Audi Q7 Quattro Black Edition. Now the Q7 is of course 7 seats, huge SUV, massive spec, incredible amount of options, and more importantly it has an absolutely amazing aesthetic. Very cool, very big, very spacious, and probably one of the most practical SUVs on the market. Now we're going to start off, you can see you've got the gorgeous black paintwork here. Of course you can see it's got a bit of a metallic shimmer in certain lights. Move across, you can see you've got your S-line livery on the wing, and on here you have of course also got the same body colour on the door mirrors. You move down, you can see you've got those diamond cut alloy wheels in gloss black and of course chrome on there as well, and they are 21s. Yep, 21s. Moving around, you can see impeccably good looking. You've got the LED headlights. You come down, you can see you've got that satin and the gloss combination on the bodywork. Front parking sensors, Quattro badging, the ringlet design, and then Audi's new sharp bonnet system, which of course has got real good statement making lines all the way across it to make it look a little bit more aggressive. You move around and down, you can see as part of the black edition, that means your wheel trims as such around your arches, your scuff plates on the lower section with the Quattro badging, and of course your window surround, mirror housing, and up top where you have of course got your panoramic sunroof. They're all encased in gloss black. You can see really smart. You've got body coloured door handles, tinted privacy glass, gloss black B pillars. Looks absolutely fantastic. Nice touch is the Quattro badging down the bottom. And then you move round and down, and you can see the rear is a really stylish place. You have of course got the indicators that everybody wants on an Audi. I can just click the button here. You can see you've got the dynamic indicators, you've got big square sharp angle contrast, you've got the 50 TDI badge in the Quattro, you've got your false dual exit chrome exhaust, your honeycomb. You have of course as well on here, you can see got your reverse sensors as well, along with a gorgeous lip spoiler up top. Now to open the boot, click it down, hold it, you can see off the key, it opens up and reveals an absolute monstrous amount of space when the two rear seats are down. Now this of course is your third row seating. You can see you can easily move them by clicking the buttons just here, and electronically they will rise and you're able to bring the seats up. You can see you've got your cover in there, you've also of course got your seat belts, and underneath you have of course got storage as well just under here, along with your battery if needed. However, the main aspect of course of the Q7 is its gorgeous interior. Now once I've closed the boot, clicking the button just here, showing you the reverse camera, you can see all round very well looked after, very well maintained, and it's a real joy for anybody that's coming to look. Now what we will do is we'll head in to the VIP section first, as I say, which is of course the rear seats. Now under there and in here you can see gorgeous quilted leather design, big comfortable padded bolster seats. You can just see from the visual there how clean they are, how comfortable they look, and again the absurd amount of space between front passenger and rear. And then of course don't forget on your door card, as a black edition you've got piano gloss black trim. You can see you've got that gorgeous wood effect as well. You've got the Alcantara just on here in grey, and then you move down and round, you can see you've got electric windows. Down here you've got your Audi sound system, and then here you can see you've got your S-line badging as well. And then getting inside, very nice, very simple as a layout to start with. Very impressive. Pop-up media system, virtual cockpit, Quattro badging, piano gloss black. You've also got, again, that gorgeous wooden finish all across. You can see panoramic electric sunroof as well. Then you come down the seats, S-line, gorgeous leather design. No rips, no stains, no tear. You got the electronic seat adjustment. Put your S-line badging on here, and then you come across. You can see you've got your memory settings, piano gloss black and chrome, electric heated adjustable folding mirrors, electric windows, and everything you would need. Now when you get inside, not only is it hugely spacious, hugely practical, it's an absolutely scintillating place to be. You can see digital dash in front, pop-up media displays just here, and then as we say, you come across that piano gloss black and chrome. Looks fantastic. Now to turn the car on, very simple. Click the button once. That'll of course load up this. We'll turn that stereo down now. And then what you can do, of course, is you can click your foot on the brake, click the button, and you can see it turns on first time. No issues, no lag, no delay, no hesitation. Really comfortable and really responsive. Now on here you can see you've got the class leading way of display navigation in the cockpit, which is of course the Audi Virtual Cockpit. You can change this by using the button on the steering wheel on the left. Click on view, that will shorten the display and bring up the clocks, or you can skip across. You can see you've got date and time on here. You've got memory, energy consumers, driver assist, any warnings. Now that is of course because I've put the seats half up to show you, so we can put them back down in a minute. You've got the DAB, of course, Bluetooth telephone and Virtual Cockpit as well. Now on here you can see you've got auto high beam. Simply click the light and you'll see it illuminates just at the bottom here and says auto, which is of course your auto high beam. You move across onto this side, you can see you've got your auto wipers. You come back down, you can see you've got your cruise control just here with your speed limiter, and underneath here the piano gloss black and encased in the gorgeous wooden effect, you can see you've got your auto headlights just there. Now coming back, you've got the flat bottom steering wheel, soft leather, you've got the perforated leather on the edge, and again just here you can see you have got the flat bottom steering wheel with the S-line badging as well. It's all very geometric, all redesigned, very nice, very easy on the eye. On the back you've got paddle shift for your winter driving or sports and performance driving. Then you come across, you've got the pop-up media system, very nice to use, very simple. It's not touchscreen. To use it you have to of course use this system just here. Now on there you can see it's set up at the minute that it's on DAB. And if you click up there, you can put your map on, which of course means you can have dual display on your map and navigation. You can also go down, you're on your telephone, you've got your radio, then of course you've got your media. Now if you scroll across using the dial here, you can see you've got your CD player, DVD player, which I'm assuming times tables was for a child in the previous life. You can see you've got SD card, USB, auxiliary Wi-Fi, and pretty much anything else you may need. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go from the main menu. You can see you've got car on here. If you click on car, you can see you've got all the different options here. So this of course benefits from having the air suspension. You can see you've got the lift, you've got the off-road option just here, and that of course gives you the display in terms of what you need to do. Now if you do click on there, you're able to see here the air suspension is lifting the car up as we speak. Very good feature to have. On here you've got your all-road, which of course is your different Quattro four-wheel drive. This one of course is for off-road use. You've also got on here, you've got efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, which is classed as sport, and you've got your individual mode as well. You come back, you can go on vehicle settings, you can see date and time, steering wheel button, you can change all the functions on here. You've also got your seats, exterior lighting, background lighting. Now if you click on here you can see it's a single colour, it just displays the brightness. Central locking and the air suspension for the trailer as well. If I go back on there, click the wrong button, you can see you can change the air suspension for the trailer. Now on here you've got driver assist, speed warning, parking aid, efficiency pre-sense, rest recommendation, rain sensor as well. You scroll down, you've also got your aircon options for your seat heating. You've got of course servicing and checks. You click on here, TPMS, service intervals, oil level. You can see your next service isn't due for 201 days. You've also got wiper position and the air suspension for a wheel change as well. You've got a handbook, and then if you go back out of that, you can go back into the handbook again. You've got your sound, of course it's the Audi sound system now, Bang & Olufsen. Media, Bluetooth telephone, navigation, the map, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone interface on there. Of course, you can see subject to compatible device, you can have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and then you can go into the boring settings further down, which, to be honest, nobody really cares about. Now, moving away from there, you can see coming down, you've got your drive select option, your buttons here, auto start stop, traction control, audible parking sensors. You've of course got descent control. Now, descent control, or DSR, controls going down a very steep decline to make sure the car doesn't get rolling too quick or ahead of steam. You can also turn your media system off, that will pop down. And then here you can see you've got heated seats for the driver and passenger, dual zone aircon in the front. You can also see you've got heated front screen, heated rear screen, recirculation and other options. Under here you can see you've got a 12-volt charger and further storage, real nice fluid transitional storage. Coming down, you've got dual cup holder, piano gloss black. You also got your volume button, your media button, dual cup holder. On here you can see you've got your media touchpad for writing, drawing, writing in any numbers. You've got your keypad, you've also got your haptic feedback, your iDial as such, which of course controls the system on the media. And then here you can see you've got your automatic gearbox, sports gearbox, you've got auto hold for the hills, you've got electronic parking brake, and this is very, very easy to use. Basically, put it in reverse, press the button, push it up, you'll see you're in reverse. What you will notice is that of course lifts up here, and that does give you a reverse camera and the front and rear parking sensors. You push it down into drive, you can see on there you're in D1 and off-road. That's your drive mode, that's your gears. What you can do is of course knock it to the left, that puts it into manual, as you can see just there, and that means you can use the paddle shifts, or you can utilise the gearbox itself. Down to change down the gears, up to change up the gears. Now what you can do as well, of course you can change when you're in a different drive select mode. So if we change the drive select on here to efficiency, you can see when you press it down it changes to E1 for efficiency, S1 for sports, and of course you've got D1 for drive. Moving back from there, you've got your adjustable armrests, of course finished in Napa leather, white contrast stitching. Lift up, you've got QI wireless charging, you've got storage, you've got auxiliary, dual USB, and then here you have of course got your key sensor and further storage options as well. And finally, to finish off, the panoramic glass sunroof, very, very easy, very simple to use. You can see you've got the two options here. The one at the front near the windscreen, press that forwards, that'll close it, as you can see, just like that. Bit of dust on there, unfortunately we've had some not so great weather. And then this one you can see here, hold that forward, and that's the electronic sun blind. That comes all the way across. Not exactly very quickly, which is great for a video, but if you pull that across, you can see that'll dead out any natural daylight as such. And if you've got kids, you can have them in the back and they can go fast asleep in a darker setting. But overall, if you're looking for an incredibly spacious, practical, stylish, well-performing, just an all-round incredible looking bit of kit for families, for work, for commutes, or something that isn't going to be absolutely absurd on running costs, then why not think about our Audi Q7 Quattro Black Edition TDI. Now, on this one, what I will say is it does of course come complete, having been through our 128-point inspection at our on-site RAC approved facility. What that means is our facility have taken a look at it cosmetically, mechanically, and they've given it an oil and filter service as well to ensure it needs no preparation or any mechanical care from here on in. Now, in terms of finance, we can do that. We've got many market leading partners who are more than happy to assist. We can do part exchange, and you may even be eligible for our click and deliver service. For anything that you need to know, do of course please get in touch with myself, Tom, or Victoria in sales. For me, I've been Greg, that's been the Q7.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time holding the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC-approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, it's more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million, straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Be
the
11.
UK. Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10. I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%.
It's gotta be 10 out of 10, right?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.